Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to deploy HTML on Vercel step by step. I'll be walking you through this in the Vercel dashboard with GitHub. First, head to vercel.com and create an account. You'll see a sign up button or a continue with GitHub button right on the home page. I recommend signing up with GitHub. It makes the whole process smoother. Once you've authenticated, you'll land on your Vercel dashboard. Next, we need to connect GitHub to Vercel. When you go to import a project, Vercel will prompt you to choose GitHub as your Git provider. Click through to authorize Vercel to access your repositories. You can choose to authorize all repositories or just select specific ones. Once that's done, you'll be back at your Vercel dashboard. Now let's create a new project. In the top right of your dashboard, click the Add New button and select Project from the dropdown. This takes you to the Import Git repository page. Find the repository you want to deploy in the list and click the Import button next to it. If you haven't connected GitHub yet, you'll see a prompt to do that first. After you click Import, you'll be redirected to the Configure Project page. On the Configure Project page, you'll see a few settings: Framework Preset dropdown, Root Directory field, Build Command field, and Output Directory field. Vercel analyzes your repository and tries to detect the framework automatically. For a simple static HTML project, you usually won't need to change anything. If Vercel doesn't auto-detect correctly, just choose Other in the Framework Preset dropdown. Make sure your repository has an index.html file in it. Vercel needs that to know what to serve. Once you're happy with the settings, scroll down and click the Deploy button at the bottom of the page. You'll see the build process start. This usually takes about 10 to 30 seconds for a simple HTML site. When the deployment finishes, you'll see a congratulations screen with confetti and your live URL. It'll be in the format your-projectname.vercel.app. Copy that URL and open it in a new tab. Your site is live. Here's the best part. Once your GitHub repository is connected, Vercel automatically creates a new deployment every time you push code. Updates go live within seconds with no manual work from you. You can also manage custom domains, review past deployments, or tweak project settings anytime from your project dashboard. And there we go, HTML deployed on Vercel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.